Alright, you guys, so the patio is almost done. What I've done is I've taken 3 bags of play sand from like Lowe's, and I just put it all around here. Um, my goal was to get about 1/4 inch to about a 1/2 inch depth in between the stones, and I just used the push broom to spread it all the way around, and then I used the hose to kind of wet it and to kind of get into all the little nooks and crannies. So I'm gonna let this dry. Then I'll come back and I'm gonna hit it with some permasand as a second coat. Um, yeah, each one of these bags of sand was about $2, so I just wanted to put this down a little bit, start filling in some of the cracks before I put the polymeric sand. All right, and you can see that it doesn't look too bad, even though we have some gaps in here. The sand is filling it out nicely. All right.